Morning, everybody. Rich on Wi-Fi here, back with another market analysis. Yesterday was a pretty much of a empty day in the stock market. Still waiting for the Fed rate decision. They were expecting Powell to keep rates the same, which I also expect the same as well. The S&P 500 is still just in this channel right here in this wedge pattern, waiting to see what's going to happen. We might be creating a really deep wick to keep going up right here, so we could be pulling down. Oh, hold on. All right, here we go. Be pulling down just to continue going up, depending on the news and what is said from Jerome Powell. Also, what we could be doing is we could be grabbing liquidity down, and then Thursday, Friday, bad news comes out and turns this candle red. And like I've been saying, if we get a closure bearish out of this wedge, then I think the market is going to continue going down. My overall expectation is that it's going to be retesting these lows or coming for these lows, and this was just a bear market bounce. But we have a little bit of time waiting until tomorrow. Still don't think very much movement. The market does seem like it wants to gap down for whatever reason. Most gaps usually get filled, so I would expect maybe a little bit of a pullback during the day. Trump might come out, or there might be some kind of bullish news for it to come and fill this wick and possibly finish lower, or just continue consolidating within this area right here. I still don't expect anything to break out until after tomorrow. The Fed doesn't come out till 12 o'clock Mountain Time, 2 p.m. Central Time, or Eastern Time, I'm sorry. So just waiting on this one here. Nothing really to do. Gold, though, has been on a tear. Gold is our main player here. We love to trade gold. You can see beginning of yesterday, Monday, straight bullish, continuation today, and I don't expect anything to slow it down. We might have a little bit of a pullback, but we're probably going to be retesting 34.30, and I honestly think we're going to start coming for all-time highs. We are in a very bullish trend here, and looking at this, I do expect us to eventually come down here and come back up and then keep continuing up. It is healthy to have a pullback, but who knows? We should have had a little bit of a bigger pullback here. We didn't, just consolidated, kept going up. Same thing, consolidated, came down for a little bit of liquidity, continued up. So we're kind of in the same pattern right here, possibly to come back up. We might come back down, grab some liquidity here, continue going up. This is over weeks. These are weekly candles, so definitely going to take some time on the intraday. A lot of trading opportunities. If this initial move was missed here because the previous week was bearish on the weekly, maybe some people had some bearish sentiment, but a little bit of confirmation after yesterday's close. Daily candle closed above, came back, retested this trend line, came up, and then same thing. The market just moves in waves. We had consolidation, jump, consolidation, jump. A little bit of a pullback, consolidate, jump. And then we're doing the same thing, consolidating here to possibly come back down, retest these, or we're going to keep going up and fill this range right here. We have moved up a lot in gold, so I do expect it to kind of consolidate a little bit. New York session, pre-Fed news doesn't really do very much. As you can see, yesterday, this was New York session. Garbage, just completely consolidated. Later on in the day, it eventually moved out. And then this was Asian session and London session today. And you can see we're also consolidating here. There was some movement if you drop into the lower time frames. We do have a break of consolidation right here. Also 1, 2, 3 touches on a trend line. So here's a consolidation, breakout, jump. And then also confirmation, one touch, two touch, waiting for the bounce here, extra confluence, consolidation, and a breakout. Tons of ways to catch these moves. We will be opening up a Telegram very soon, so anybody who's interested on taking signals, copying trades, we're here to help people out. We want to help everybody make some money in this world. Everybody's losing jobs, tariffs are going crazy, Trump is going crazy. Until then, we'll see everybody tomorrow, and be waiting for that Fed rate decision. Everybody have a good day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.